Acalypha hispida alba, commonly known as white cattails or chenille plant. This is a plant from the family Eurphobiaceae. This evergreen tropical shrub originates from New Guinea, the Malay archipelago and other islands in the East Indies. This specific variety, Alba, not to be confused by the common one we know, the red heart seen here in the inset. This one is actually kind of rare. You don't see the white one every day. A nice beautiful tropical shrub which is characterized by those long drooping catkins. These tails can grow up to 18 inches long and they are quite amazing and beautiful. This shrub can grow to the height of 5 to 8 feet. Also, it can be wider, 4 to 8 feet wide, and it blooms freely throughout the year. It's a very fast growing shrub, so it responds really well to pruning. You can cut this shrub literally anywhere from any size and it will still sprout and start growing and blooming again. The white one is not very common in garden centers or anywhere you wanna look for it, but it still resembles and bears almost the same characteristics as the red hot cattail. This plant can easily be propagated by hardwood cuttings, softwood cuttings. It responds also very well with air layering. It has like multiple ways of reproducing it. It has no really major diseases which are concerned or associated with it. Once in a while you can find some scales you like it, or some spider mites and aphids maybe, and depending on where you really live or where you put the plant. This plant is commonly used as an accent. Also, you can use it as a hedge or a specimen, or just put it in a container. Well, if you enjoyed this, which I'm sure you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye.